𝐓𝐇𝐀𝐍𝐊𝐒 5 Pots and Pans Set, Non-Stick Cookware Set Detachable Handle, Induction Kitchen Cookware Sets Non-Stick with Removable Handle, RV Cookware Set, Gold and optimal storage and easy stacking with the handles off saves up to 70% more space of 𝐓𝐇𝐀𝐍𝐊𝐒 detachable handle pots and pans set, keeping your kitchen neat and organized. As both a cookware set and a dinnerware set, one-time cleaning for all. Dishwasher safe and resistant to the annoying black residue thanks to the spray-coated bottom. Detachable handles provide secure grip and stability with strong weight-bearing capacity. Easily go from stovetop to oven, grill, fridge, or dining table with just a click. Enjoy rapid and even heat transfer and superior non-stick performance, ensuring optimal cooking performance for every dish. Suitable for all cooktops including induction. 𝐓𝐇𝐀 provides 12 months warranty from the date of purchase. Please don't hesitate to reach out if any quality problem. You will be guaranteed to get satisfying solution. Set includes 9 inches fry pan, 10 inches fry pan, 3 QT saucepan, 1 * detachable handles, 8 inches silicone lid.